Okay, we're in the Philippines. We're on the southern end tip of Cebu Island. And look at this wonderful waterfall. Was coming to see whale sharks, but unfortunately we arrived too late. And the guy said, "Let's go see a waterfall." And I thought, well, waterfall, who cares? But this waterfall is just amazing. They say it was discovered but a year ago. Oh, there's my driver. Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
See you this time you come back.
Yeah, all right. That is cool. It's like something out of Middle Earth. Goes about there.